Now kids, we will write in our English class workbook page number 107. What is this? This is a pod. P-O-D, pod. Per order, pod. So for alphabet P, first we will make a standing line, then we will go up, make a reverse C curve. For alphabet O, make a C curve, then make a reverse C curve. For D, we will make a standing line, then we will go up and make a C curve. P-O-D, pod. Per order, pod. Again we will write per or the pod. P O D pod. What is this? This is a dot. D-O-T dot. The otter dot. So for alphabet D, we will make a standing line, then go up, make a C curve. For O, we will make a C curve, then reverse C curve. For T, make a standing line, make a small curve and a slipping line. D-O-T dot. The otter dot. Again we will write the or the dot. D O T dot. What is this? This is a fox. F-O-X, fox. For oxer, fox. So for alphabet F, we will make a curve and come down, standing and slipping line. For O, make a C curve, then make a reverse C curve. For X, one slanting line, another slanting line. F-O-X, fox. For oxer, fox. Again we will write for oxer, fox. F-O-X, fox. What is this? This is a cot. C-O-T, cot. Ka-otter, cot. So for alphabet C, we will make a C curve. For O, we will make a C curve, then reverse C curve. For T, we will make a standing line, then small curve and a slipping line. C-O-T, cot. Ka-otter, cot. Ka or the cot. C O T cot. Like this way you have to complete writing work by yourself in your English class workbook page number 107.